guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Faren, and if not, as always, welcome back. So today's video is obviously not a hair video because y'all, Fred is on one today, but more so skincare kinda. I picked up the Flawless skincare fridge for my birthday. So if you want to see what I have in my skincare fridge, or you want to hear my thoughts on this itty bitty little thing, then stay tuned. Okay, so I purchased the Flawless skincare fridge at Ulta. I missed it when they were doing the 21 days of beauty. They had it for half off, so it was, I think, $30 on that day. I purchased it for the 60, but I had points, so of course I got money off because I wasn't paying $60 for it. And yeah, so you can purchase this skincare fridge at Ulta. I know they also have it at Bed Bath & Beyond because I saw it there for maybe $30 and they had like a 20% off coupon. Don't quote me on that. Check it for yourself, but there are more places that you can actually pick this skincare fridge up. I don't have the dimensions with me. I will put it in the description box down below. I just thought that it would be a bit bigger than this. That's all I'm saying. So as you can see, it's got rose gold hardware, which I like. It's cute. It came with some little stickers that I was not too enthused about. So it just looked kind of childish to put those stickers on this little skincare refrigerator. Like, how old are we? Maybe if I was in college or in middle school, but who needs a skincare fridge if you're in middle school? Y'all can keep those stickers. But nonetheless, let's get into what I actually have in here. Alright, so as you can see, it's got a little shelf on the door, and on the door I just keep my little gua sha. And y'all, like, this feels so good being cool in here. Just a little, just tighten that skin right on up. So I have that on the door, and I also have my Brighten Eye Cream from Inkey List. I've mentioned a lot of these products before, but that's all that can really fit that I have in this little shelf. I was really hoping that I could fit like my mask and things. Oh no, me gusta, flag on the play. Okay, whatever. Back to what I was saying. I really wish that my mask could fit into it, but I kind of have to like bend them in order to make them properly fit. But I just have, like, of course, the Neutrogena Hydro Boost, which is my favorite. As you can see, I've got quite a few of those. I have a Radiance Boost one. I have a Saturday Skin that I still haven't tried. And I also have a mask from Pharmacy. That goes right in there. I have my Fat Glow Facial from Ole Henriksen, which I love. Put that bad boy in there. I have this quartz roller, which apparently, because I've been trying to like force it into this skincare fridge, it's apparently like popped off. No biggie, popped right back in there. But yeah, I ordered this on Amazon, so I will also have this linked in the description down below. What else do I have in here? I have my PHA toner from Inkey List, another one of my faves. I love using this when I'm traveling. That fits in there. And then I also have my Inkey List Ceramide Night Treatment, which is pretty darn good. If you're not on the Inkey List, it's kind of like the ordinary affordable, but I mean, is it really affordable when the products are only this big? But that's neither here nor there. So that's all that I can really fit in the bottom of this. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it has literally frozen over back here. I I don't like it. There's like condensation in the bottom. Yeah, not a fan. Okay, so it also comes with this small shelf, which I wish I could like adjust the shelf to make things taller, because I want it to fit products like my glow toner, and I also wanted to be able to put my black tea kombucha. Like, I love these. I feel like these would have been great if I could have fit them in there, but more on that later. So what I do have on this top shelf is this, I don't even use this anymore, Laneige water sleeping mask. It fits, so I just tossed it in there. Why not? Another item, Jesus, another item that I don't use too often, but I have it in here just because it fits, is my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel. You know, it's cold outside and it's thick and it's soothing like I like it, so I probably will get back into this fall and winter. But I have that on the shelf. I have the brand new Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. Y'all, I really like it. It like, my skin feels so hydrated. Like, look at my cheeks, they're shiny. This has a glow. So I really do enjoy the serum, and it feels really nice, cool. Put that bad boy in there. I also have my Milk Melatonin Overnight Mask, small enough to fit. I have a trial size Dream Eye Cream by Youth to the People. Another one of my favorite little Sephora finds. Y'all know that Sephora sale is coming up soon. I already have my list. And then I also have the Vitalize Eye Treatment from Urban Skin RX. You know, another one of my faves. So, all in all, that's all that I can really fit in here. A lot of my other products are just too big. Like I said, I wish I could fit those. There's, I wish I could also fit like this enzyme mask. Like, look. It just won't. Oh, that one does fit. It's kind of tight, but we'll see. So in conclusion, as you can see, that is all that I can fit in here. I have it in my bathroom for right now, just because, you know, I'm a little tight on space. I don't know if I love it, but this is where I wash my face. But I just have it in the corner of my bathroom. It's small enough that it fits really nicely, but it's just too small in my opinion. Like, I wanted to fit more products in it. I just wish it was a little bit taller. I wish it was a baller. I wish it had a shelf that was good. I would call it. I'm probably not gonna keep that in there. I also wish there was like a temperature regulator, because the back of it has frozen and there's nothing that I can really do about that. So I don't know, will that cause it to malfunction a little quicker? Am I supposed to turn it off? But I want my products to always be cold. There is an on-off switch in the back, and I just never use it. I just always leave it on, but maybe I need to turn it off so it can defrost. Anyways, I am rambling. In my honest opinion, I would not pay the $60 for it. I would definitely catch it on sale if you need it. And don't expect to put a lot of full-size products in there. Maybe travel. So if you use travel size products on a regular basis, then I would highly recommend this Flawless Skincare fridge. But otherwise, I mean, unless you have a lot of jars and things that can easily fit in here, it's kind of just needs to be a smidge taller for me, a smidge, or at least allow me to like change the shelf position. So yeah, this video should be real quick. That is all that I had to share with you guys today. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy this type of content. Don't forget to subscribe. I don't think I told you that earlier. And as always, thank you so much for watching.